Hi friends, welcome to Hiya's Food Palace. Today I am going to show you how to make butterscotch cake. These are the ingredients. 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, half cup vegetable oil, half cup milk, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup sugar and 3 eggs. First add 3 eggs, then add sugar, then add 1 teaspoon butterscotch essence. Add vegetable oil and beat all the ingredients till it becomes stiff. Now strain all the dry ingredients to a bowl. Now add all the strained dry ingredients and milk to the batter. Then pour the batter into the cake tin and tap it to remove the bubbles. Then bake it for 30 minutes in 180 degrees. Now let's see how to make the icing. Pour 2 bowls whipping cream to the beater and beat it till it becomes stiff. Now let's do the icing. Let's add sugar syrup to the cake. Now spread the whipped cream onto the cake. Then add butterscotch sauce on the whipped cream. Then cover the cake with whipped cream. Then decorate the cake with butterscotch sauce. Now the cake is ready.